Imagine this. You're cruising through winding backroads, the morning air crisp, and the trees painted gold by the rising sun. And you're not in a bulky RV, or a noisy van, or a roaring bike. No, you're riding something that looks like it just stepped out of a 1960s postcard, but with the brain of the future. It's called the Retro Trek Trike Camper, and it's probably the coolest thing on three wheels you'll see this decade. At first glance, it looks like a vintage cafe racer merged with a cozy teardrop trailer. Chrome curves. Leather straps. Wooden side panels. It's the kind of design that makes people stop in their tracks, pull out their phones, and start recording. But it's not just about looks. This is a full-blown micro RV, engineered for the slow life but built with 2026 tech under the hood. Let's start with how it moves. That smooth humming sound you hear? That's its electric drivetrain, whisper quiet but powerful. The Retro Trek's front wheel is powered by a next-gen 45 kilowatts electric motor, delivering instant torque. Translation? This trike may look old school, but it moves like a modern street rocket. You can glide through city traffic, cruise countryside roads, or climb gentle hills without ever breaking a sweat. But the magic really begins when you stop. Park it, turn the side latch, and the rear pod, yes, that adorable, capsule-shaped rear, unfolds like a transformer. Out comes a tiny veranda. Yes. A veranda. Complete with a folding awning, retractable solar panels, and even a pop-out mini fire pit, battery-powered, of course, because we're still eco-conscious. Inside, it's a masterclass in minimalist design. You'd think, how much can you fit in the back of a trike? Well, a lot more than you'd imagine. There's a full single-size bed with memory foam cushioning. A tiny pull-out desk if you need to work remotely. Storage cabinets cleverly hidden under the floorboards and ceiling. A compact kitchenette slides out from the side, think sink, induction plate, and even a mini espresso machine tucked in its own drawer. Coffee lovers, rejoice. But here's where it gets truly wild. The Retro Trek uses augmented reality glass. Yeah. That window in front of you. It's not just glass, it's a digital dashboard. Swipe your finger and pull up maps, weather, even stargazing overlays. It shows you constellations right from your bed at night. You're not just camping. You're camping under a personalized planetarium. And get this. The roof? It opens up. Like a convertible. Hit a button and the top folds back, turning your camper into an open-air lounge. Stargazing. Fresh air. Sunrise wake-ups. It's like a rooftop tent, but way cooler, way sleeker, and way more comfortable. Now, let's talk power. The Trike runs on swappable battery packs, good for about 180 miles on a single charge. And those solar panels I mentioned earlier? They're not just for show. Leave them out on a sunny day, and they'll juice up your camper's systems, lights, the espresso machine, even a tiny AC unit for summer days. It's freedom. No gas stations. No giant charging cables. Just you, the road, and the sun. Still with me? Good. Because it only gets better. The designers behind this camper trike were obsessed with the details. Every leather strap is hand-stitched. The wood? Reclaimed from vintage surf shacks in California. The metalwork? Polished aluminum, shaped to match the lines of old board track motorcycles. It's not just transportation. It's moving art. But beyond all that style, is soul. This thing wasn't built to rush. It wasn't built for crowded highways or hotel check-ins. It's built for detours. For finding a clearing in the woods and spending the night listening to crickets. For parking by a lake, opening your roof, and reading a book under a sky full of stars. And even though it's small, you never feel cramped. Because every inch is designed to do more. The floor becomes a seat. The cabinet becomes a dining table. Even the handlebars have embedded tools, screwdrivers, chargers, even a bottle opener. Oh, and one more thing. You're probably wondering about the bathroom. Where does that fit in? Well, there's a built-in privacy pod. Hidden in the back, like a little secret. Pull it out, and boom, a compact outdoor shower with a biodegradable soap dispenser and a folding privacy screen. There's also a waterless dry toilet that tucks away beneath the back seat. It's not luxury hotel stuff, but out here, it feels 5-star.